This you have to remember. The equation of line passing through the point and parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Formula is ax plus by is equal to ax1 plus by1. Or if you write this one, we can take a common x minus x1 plus if I take by1 minus if I take b common y minus y1 equal to 0. So for easy point of view, directly remember this one. Any line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Answer is what? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. So see here. Now 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. In this one, A is how much? 2. B is how much? Minus 3. C is 5. So parallel line is what? Parallel line formula is what, ma? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. And if you want x1 value is 1, y1 value is 2. These are x1, y1, no? Substitute the values here. A is 2, x minus x1 is 1, b is minus 3, y minus y1 is 2. 2x minus 2, minus 3y, minus into minus plus 6. So 2x minus 3y minus 2 plus 4 is minus 4 equal to 0. This is first model. Okay? This is first method or first model. I will take the second one also. This is method 1. Parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 formula is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0.
So plus 4 is equal to 0.
Plus 4 is
Last plus 4 is equal to 0.
Yeah. Yes.
6 minus 2 4.
Completed one?
Yes, sir.
So I will give second method. Same question, second method. You may take parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Why? Because if you observe the question, observe the question as well as answer. Parallel line means two parallel lines are always vary by constant. Or in circles we have discussed this so many times. Two straight lines always differ by constant. 2x minus 3y same. Here constant is 5, here constant is minus plus 4. Always two parallel lines are differ by constant. That's why ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Okay, ma'am? Therefore, parallel to 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. What you have take? 2x minus 3y plus k equal to 0. This is our answer. Actually, this should be our answer, but we don't know k, no? So we have to find k. But again, he has given that it passes through 1 comma. It passes through 1 comma 2. 2 into x value 1, y value 2. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So what is k value now? 4. Substitute in equation number 1. So 2x minus 3y, k how much more? Same as previous answer we are getting. So which one is easy? First model or second model?
Second.
Second one. Okay, so directly you can remember. Parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Answer ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Our previous formula a into x minus xy plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. Anyone you can use, no problem. Constant మాత్రమే differ అవుతుంది. X question, y question must be same. You may take any number of parallel straight lines. Only differ by constant. Constant మాత్రమే different ఉంటాయి. X question, y question must be same for parallel lines.
Okay, sir.